Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your BeReal account. Locate your BeReal app and then open it. Now you should go ahead and keep your phone number over here and then click on Send Verification Text. You should wait for a while as an OTP code will be sent to your mobile device or your SIM. Then tap on the OTP, paste it here, and then it will automatically load. Wait for a while and you will be logged in into your BeReal account. And there you go, you have successfully logged into your account. This was a video on how you can log into your BeReal account. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.